What page are we on? The third one?
Yes.
Third one, question 7. A shirt is on sale for 40% off. What am I going to do with the 100%?
Subtract by 4. C. Subtract by 40. 60%, so convert 60%.
Pause, wait. Let me finish reading the question.
Calm down.
Nobody want to calm down. You need to calm down. You're too loud.
I'm good. Judge. Period.
Y'all wasted quite a bit of time and we could have moved on a long time ago. Some of you have already done so, but some of us are still waiting for Miss Darling to figure out what we need to do next. So, please don't rob this opportunity from somebody else. The sale price is $12. This is the sale price.
Oh, it's 25. You don't have to convert it to 0.6, and then it's still be able to do 12 times 0.8.
Wait, what was the original price? What was the amount in dollars of the discount? Guys, wait. Let me finish reading. What was the amount in dollars of the discount? So they want to know how much was taken off and where it started. Hint, if the sweater is 40% off, what percent are you paying? So I am paying 60%. Ratio table. What is my goal? To find what? I already know what 60% is.
40, the original price.
Is 40% the only goal that I'm trying to find? What else am I trying to find?
How much money was taken off?
That's my 40%. What else am I trying to find? Reread the question. Or the two questions. The what? The original price. So what is that percent?
60. Oh, wait,
No, the
100.
original price.
100.
I need to find the 100. Find this 2. So, A, what do they give me? You aren't focused.
40%.
They don't give me 40%. I have to find it. They give me 60, which is what?
$12.
$12. What can I do with 60? Monday.
Divided by 3.
Divided by 2, divided by 3. Sure. So let's divide it by 2 and I'll get 30. And then if I divide it by 3, I'll get 20. So A divided by 2, A divided by 3. Half of 60 is 30. What's half of 12? A third of 60 is 20. What's a third of 12?
4. So you take that and multiply by 5.
Now what am I trying to find?
100%.
100 and 40. Which one of these will give me 140?
C.
C. C will give me both.
Because then it'll make $8. That's 40%. And then the original would be $20. Oh.
I need to get to 40 and I need to get to 20. I'm going to take row C times 2 and I'm going to take row C and multiply it by what to get to 100? 5C. So this 40, I need you to stay focused. What does this 40 mean?
That's the percent.
That's the what?
Percent.
Say it in one word. Discount. And the E, ironically, that's D for discount. And the E is, there is a, oh shoot, it's probably going to be at the end of class. And the E is for the
Original price.
original price.
Which is $20. $12. That was 24.
Hey, shh. Don't shout it out. At a certain store, 48 television sets were sold in April. Because we're getting ready to do a fire drill, let's wrap this up and I'll post the rest on Google Classroom. Okay, we're working on Astros proportional reasoning. You're only doing questions 5 through 8 on each page. If you'd like to do the rest, you may practice, but I'm only grading 16 questions total. Yes, so go straight to the back so I can go over those questions with you. These are conversions. Okay? About how many feet does a team of athletes run in a 1,600 meter relay race? So they're giving me 1,600 meters, and then they're giving me the conversion factor.
Miss, move that thing.
Oh, 1 second. No, I'm going to work it out on paper, but I'm moving this thing. So, my conversion factor is a ratio. Or it's a rate on the very back, honey. Get it, flip it over. Okay, somebody said you can multiply. Yes, in a proportion, you cross multiply and divide anyway. So there is multiplication involved there. I need to write my units. Those are my things. You're giving me numbers. I want words. Meters and feet. So meters and feet. 1 meter is 3.3 feet. Then what do they give me?
60,000.
1600 goes with meters. So does that go on the top or the bottom? The top. Do I know how many feet that is? It's X. I don't know, so I put an X there because that's my variable. Cross multiply, yes, it says units. And divide, but if I'm just dividing by 1, this is where I only need to multiply. So X equals 1,600 divided by 3.3. And this will be in what? What units is this?
Meter. Or feet.
Feet. Feet are on the bottom. Meters are on the top. So this will be some number of feet. How do I find that? How do I find out how many feet this is, y'all? Is this a multiplication problem?
Divide. See, I like divide.
Divide. Nope. Just do what you can. So, what am I dividing?
16.00 divided by 33.
1,600 divided by 3.3. Can I have a decimal here?
No, that's why you move it 2 times to the left.
Twice.
Twice.
No.
1 time.
1 time. Now it is 33. And then whatever I do to my divisor, I must do to my dividend.
Yeah, that's how I got.
Oh, yeah.
So what is this number now?
1,600.
No.
1,600.
No.
16,000.
16,000. Who in, who out?
33 in.
What?
33 out. 33.
You read left to right, y'all. I'll put them on the back table.
Can I use a
16,000 in. How much out?
33.
My bad, I was like trying to close it.
Okay, now what do I need to do with the 33?
List the multiples.
List the multiples. Just put that back on the back table. 33, what comes next? 66, what comes next? 99. So the first 3 are easy. Now I got to carry over. Keep going.
1,200.
That's too much, honey. How am I going from 99 to
120.
1,200? What's 9 plus 3?
11.
No. 12. Carry the 1 plus 3. That's 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9.
13.
13. 132. Plus another 33. 165. Plus another 33. Y'all need to stay focused.
198.
No, it's not 191. 198. Plus another 33. Plus another 33.
264.
Good. Plus another 33.
267.
Nope. You only added 3. Add 30. 297. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Why am I doing this again? So it's easier to long divide. And if I'm doing this here, that means you're going to need to do it on your test. 33 into 160. How many times before passing it? 4. So put 4 on top of the 0 in 160. Now multiply. 4 times 33 is 132. Subtract 160 minus 132. Bless you. 5. 10 minus 2.
28.
And 2 and 8. Bring down your 0. How many times is 33 going to 280 before passing it?
6.
8 times.
Oh,
8 times 33 is?
198.
Nope, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
264.
10 minus 4.
6.
And 7 minus 1.
116.
Oh, sorry, 7 minus 6. My bad.
0.
160. How many times?
4.
4 times 33.
132.
And then I'm going to be back at 28. Bring down a 0.
Repeat.
280. It's going to repeat. What's going to repeat?
The 4.
Nope, I've already repeated the 4. It's going to be a pattern.
8.
No, a pattern.
8, 4.
8, 4. And the 8, 4 repeats. So what is that? 484 points about 8 mean? Go back to the question. What was it? Feet. What does approximately mean? No, not exact. The opposite. Almost or around. Raheem brought, thank you, 3 pounds of bananas. About how many kilograms did he buy? Here's my conversion factor. This is my rate. Proportion chart. What are the things?
Pounds.
Kilograms and pounds.
Pounds. Kilograms. 1 pound is half a kilogram. What do they give me? This is why backpacks need to be under tables. What do they give me?
3 pounds.
3 what? What do I do?
Cross multiply.
I don't have to divide because it's by 1. So x equals 3 times 0.5. And then what will my units be?
Kilograms.
Kilograms.
0.15.
Put your answer here. Next, a notebook computer. Wait, pause, freeze. Don't shout the answer out. Write it on your paper. Let your pencils do the talking. Yes.
When you're what's this called? When you're multiplying with a decimal, do you put the decimal on top there with the regular number? 30000.
It doesn't matter for this because they both have 1 digit. You don't need to add zeros for multiplying decimals. Where's your note? in your notes when you multiply